is? Brock.
So 5 days to go, Monday the 19th of October. Creative Engineering has supplied us with this really good quality beam, needle roller bearings in the end, shortened steering pin, 4-inch narrowed. Quite looking forward to getting this one in with a set of drop spindles from M2 Engineering. So on the rear end we're going to use a Beetle 1300 gearbox, straight axle. Also got Creative Engineering adjustable rear spring plates. Buttys Bits has supplied us with all the adapters with stuff we need for the Type 3 rear drums as well, so thank you very much. So don't forget Instagram and Facebook if you want to check us out and check how the build's going. There will be live feeds going on both social media platforms. We'll also have a wrap-up video at the end of each day via our website, YouTube video, so make sure you take a look.
But just who is Brock? Where did he come from? It is a strange story that begins many years ago.